Do you want to do it or do you have to do it? In spoken Arabic, those are two completely different ideas. Today, you will learn exactly when to use Bidi and when to use Lazem. Let's get started. We use Bidi when we are talking about something we want. For example, بدي آكل. I want to eat. بدي روح. بدي اشتري سيارة. بدي اتعلم عربي. Every sentence here expresses a personal desire, and every example is about something the speaker wants to do. That's why we use بدي. And now let's look at the other word. We use lazim when something is necessary. It's not about what you want, it's about what you have to do. لازم روح, I have to go. لازم اشتغل. لازم ادرس. لازم ادفع الإيجار. Notice the pattern? Every example is about an obligation or necessity. That's why we use lazim. So how do we know which one to choose? The rule is very simple. Ask yourself one question. Do I want to do it or do I have to do it? If it's your choice, use بدي. If it's necessary, use لازم. بدي ادفع الضريبة. Wrong. لازم ادفع الضريبة. I have to pay taxes or I want to pay. لازم آكل بيتزا. Wrong. بدي آكل بيتزا. I want or I have to eat pizza. These are the mistakes learners make most often. لازم اشرب قهوة. Wrong. بدي اشرب قهوة. بدي روح على الشغل. Wrong. لازم اتفرج على فيلم. Wrong. لازم روح على الشغل. لازم روح على الشغل. بدي اتفرج على فيلم. So before speaking, ask yourself, is it something I want or something I have to do? That simple question will help you choose the correct word. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Let's see how well you know the rule. I'll give you a sentence. You choose بدي or لازم. I want to sleep. لازم or بدي. بدي. I have to study. لازم. I want to travel. بدي. I have to leave now. لازم. I want to drink coffee. بدي. I have to call my boss. لازم اتصل برئيسي. So remember this simple rule. بدي I want to, لازم I have to. If you remember this one question, do I want to do it or do I have to do it, you will almost always choose the correct word. بشوفك بالدرس الجاي. See you in the next lesson.